way to go? Just straight ahead?
Yep, just straight ahead. Okay. Oh, slow down. Oh! There you go. Good boy.
I'm sorry.
Good boy, Chancer. Once he gets the hang of this, he's going to be, hey, a devil to keep up with. Thank you, Jax. What you doing now, Chance? You doing okay? Up. Get out of the way. Oopsie. Tiring out? Take your breath. Take your breath. Put your feet in. Yep. Excuse us. She's going to run into you. Excuse us. Oh, here we go again. Ah! Don't go in the house.